my favorite clients were just sharing with me how much fun they had customizing their custom home. Today I'm going to share with you just how much fun you can have customizing your custom home. We're standing in front of a roughly 7,000 square foot custom home on the edge of Lake Hart, one of the best lakes in Lake Nona. And this client truly took customizing their house to another level. Their faith is very important to them, and they did all kinds of things to truly make this home their own. Let's go look at them. One of the ways they've done this is by inscribing scripture on the walls and entrances of the house, as well as inspirational sayings that set the foundation for their family. Arguably, one of the most important aspects of customization is where the house actually sits on the lot. This lot had beautiful mature oak trees, tall pine trees, and the house needed to sit perfectly to maximize the views of the lake. We came out with the client, created platforms so we could see where the first floor and the second floor would be, so when we actually set the foundation, it was perfect. Customization can also be used in regard to lot size. A normal custom house is built on a 1/2 to 1 acre, but sometimes those can be hard to find. Think outside the box. The answer may be right under your nose. We took 5 acres with this lot and split it. The first half was the house was built on, and the second half can be sold or used for investment in the future. I'm Daniel Kennerly with Alair Homes. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and leave us a comment. We'll see you next time.